Got it up in there.
So, just so you know, I'm trying to close that door, film the door. It's open. I'm going to use this ball. This ball.
Close, close.
I
You
didn't
can still
get it.
see the light up in there.
I think I broke something.
I think you shut it. Oh no, almost.
Oh!
Oh, I messed up filming it. I'm a sucky camera person. Okay, hit it again. Hit it again. Oh, you almost said it. Oh! I think you got it. Hit it well.
Yeah!
Shut, finally. Okay, TJ, how much time did we absolutely save shutting the door that way?
None.
Okay, just checking. Just checking.
But I feel accomplished.
Feel accomplished.
So,
we got a remote door closer, which is
right
kind of
here,
nice.
baby. Right
All
here.
you need in life is a soccer ball.
That's right.